Good evening, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Let's have a look at Friday's activity and see if we can get some idea what's going to happen on Monday. On Friday, what was that, 25th, the market did exactly what we expected it to do. Early morning weakness, followed by a bounce higher, and then continuation of this flat little trend we got going on here. This tells us there's potential for this support, like I mentioned Thursday, for this market as we're moving sideways. We're kind of building support here. There's potential for this to attempt to rally off of this support and test this old high of 10,729. Um, I don't have a lot of faith in that. I'll tell you why. Over here, let's pull that up right quick. You've got this consolidation pattern right here on this support. Looks a lot like this support right here. It's the exact same line. We after running up here, we bounced around, kind of consolidated. Pretty choppy trade, but still it was on that support line, and then we attempted to rally up here and we got shot down. Yeah, that's when we broke through that trend line that we've been following for quite a while. That was back on January 22nd when we broke that trend line. And now we bounced back up here off of a short-term technical oversold point indicated by the slow stodge, the RSI, which we can point to right quick. Yeah, let's see. Right here, you really can't see that, so let's pull that down. There you go. Right there was technically short-term oversold. And that's what we got that bounce from. The problem with the all of a sudden this is great and we're going to head higher is that we're just bringing ourselves right back to where we were before and attempting to rally off this point. I think we're going to find the same resistance. Maybe not here. I mean, you may have it before you get to this breakout point. You may not be able to break out here, or you may break out and still break down. I think you've got fundamental issues with this level right here. Now, maybe the world has changed from the time that we were here to the time that we are now here. Maybe unemployment has improved. No, that's not possible because we all saw the data that came out last week and it showed initial claims was worse than we expected, so that's not improved. How about the housing? No, that's not going to work either because Friday they told us that was worse than expected. How about consumer sentiment? No, that also was worse than expected. We have no fundamental reason to actually anticipate any move to the upside here. There's no catalyst. I think you probably will see a move to the upside here. Short term, we did these 3 days while the market, the MPT rating continued to tell us it was bearish. So you could continue to see higher. But again, I keep pointing to the same indicators. They don't lie. Over time, your market's going to follow them. So have a good look at them. Short term overbought right there. That's been giving us sell pressure and keeping the bulls in check. That's still up there. This doesn't get relieved, and by relieved I mean pulled back down to the 20. Until that happens, I don't have any faith in any move from this point higher. This was the smart entry point. That's where we entered. That's where smart money entered. This was rallied by people who were late to the scene or gambling, and smart money let them bid it up. But that was their primary entry point. From here up is secondary entry point. And for today, I have to say that on Friday, the MPT rating came in at 06. That is a bullish signal and tells us that smart money is willing to see a secondary move higher. But again, you're going to get resistance at these key points because you don't have fundamental reason for improvement. I would look at key stocks in the swing trade and be looking to short them. We do have, 6 new free alerts for you on our website for your review. I'll be watching AAPH and WAVX. All 6 of them are posted on our website already, so you can look at those. Starting Monday, we will make our first trade in our 2,000K stock portfolio, where I will turn $2,000 into $1 million right in front of our full access members. If you're not a full access member, you need to go to our website, sign up, pay the $145 a year, and you'll have access and see every trade I make as it happens. Remember, these are not day trades, these are swing trades. I'll be doing stuff like buying or selling on Monday and closing the trade out a couple days later, that kind of thing. I look forward to seeing you all there Monday morning, and refer a friend. Take care.